everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm standing in the home that we call the Prefab, and I know it's weird because usually I walk right into the main living room part of the house, but I just happen to be finishing up a TikTok video down here. So the Prefab, it used to be called the Summit Home. It's one of our luxury homes, and it's normally a 28 by 64, 4-bed, 2-bath, but we switched things up a little bit in this home. This is one of Xavier's customers, and we did a lot of customizations here. So I'm standing in what we would call a radiant spa, and I did a Valentine's video on this home, and here we go. This one's interesting. This is something I've never showed on the channel before. These are called plantation style shutters. These shutters are available in just a couple of different homes. This is one of them. So we've got the freestanding standalone tub where your plumbing is going to come up out of the floor. It's going to come with a wand, and which is removable. And then you've got this deep tub right here. I always imagine having a wooden plaque across the front as a little table. And then right here showcased by a couple of 24 by 48, I want to say, windows. And coming over here to the vanity, we've got the extended vanity that is very common in the Summit home. This customer decided to do a tri-view medicine cabinet. Hey guys, how you doing today? And we did 3 bulb light strips up above. That's a standard feature of every home that we build. Anytime you have a sink, you're gonna have the 3 bulb light strips up above. Here we've got the radiant shower, which is a 28 by 72, 4-foot by 5-foot shower with an agile shroud in a marble pattern. And then it's gonna come with a rain shower head as well. Here behind the door that goes to the closet is going to be open cubbies, which are in an Ozark Shadow hardwood cabinet. And then into the closet in this home is in the primary bath, or in the radiant spa. And the customer has added a stretch in here. You can tell as soon as you walk in. Now, part of that radiant spa is one of these closet organizers, but look how much room we have here. Let me walk in and stand in here and then do another pan. If it were me, I would have done double racks in here, but it still looks great. Water heaters located in here, as well as your water shutoff valve. You would think that this would be where the washer dryer is, because that's usually where we put the main water shutoff, but not in the case of this home. And I loved where they stretched it. They stretched it in all the right places. So this is the primary bath with a semi-private commode over here. Let's go take a look at the kitchen part of the house. All right, to get into the kitchen area, you have to go through the side entrance here, which, by the way, I didn't mention, this Prefab home is our clearance home for July. I think it's on sale for like $103 is the base price, and then you start building from there. This is another area where the customer put the stretch. So this is the utility area, and then on the other side of this stretch would be bedroom 3. So they have added the medium utility sink, and with that sink is going to come with upper cabinets, and then also they did washer dryer cabinets here. And then, like I was talking about just a few seconds ago, this is normally where the water shutoff would be, but for some reason in this particular home we always put it back there by the water heater, which makes sense. Coming down the hallway into the kitchen area, I'm still in the same half as what that radiant spa was that I showed you. That radiant spa is going to be attached to the primary bedroom. Here is the den I was talking about. This would normally be a 4th bedroom unless you option for the den. I love the picture window that they put in here, so that tells me this is indeed going to be a den. We can also add desks in here for you if you're looking for us to do a desk that matches your cabinetry. Here's your dining area right here. Added a patio door, and then this is what we call the Summit kitchen. We used to do a different style kitchen because it used to be included, but now this is what's called a Summit kitchen. In that kitchen, you're going to get the island and the layout of the kitchen, which would include the pantry. Also this European hood up here, which is actually stainless steel, guys. It's not white. There's a sticker over that to protect it. And then the microwave tower comes with it as well, along with pot and pan drawers. Drawers over doors, my fave. Everybody knows that. This customer also added a stainless steel package with a French door refrigerator. The microwave is already part of the optional Summit kitchen that was added here 42-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling is another great feature. And the customer added 2 stem lights here. I always think that's a great idea over the island as well. So looks like they switched up the handles. It would come standard in that optional kitchen with knobs. You can always switch to what we call an ultimate kitchen handle if you you must opt for drywall to be able to do that. This customer is doing something special with their trim, so they had us leave all the trim out. Just wanted to point that out to you guys so you didn't think we were being chintzy on the trim. Now the other half of the home is strictly all bedrooms. I guess there is a second bath in there. I'm gonna go over and check it out and show you what the living room looks like, because we did something a little special there too. Just one moment. A couple other things I want to show you on this exterior. It's hard to see because I'm in a really tight spot here, but over the over the living room, we added a dormer up there and added some shake siding here. And that is typical of a Summit home, but you have to opt for it now. And the front door, we did a 9-light residential. Craftsman is a very popular door, but this is good as well if you want to get lots of light through your window. And then here where the primary bedroom is, we did a special dormer that is actually bumped out, you can see there, and then continued on with the shake siding. We offer the shake in 3 different colors: white, gray, and a brownish color. They're all very beautiful. Let me jump up on in here. All right, so climbing up into the living room area is, you're gonna come into the front. You've got a little section here to add something, but this customer is gonna add some vinyl or some plank flooring. Now we would offer plank flooring, and we do, but we ship it loose. But we couldn't install it and ship the home because as the home was shuffling down the road, it would crack all to pieces. This is a coat closet here, or an entry closet, coming into the primary bedroom. This looks like this is a place that was stretched, I can tell right away. And here's that bump out. Here's an interesting thing that happens when you do that bump out. Look at these windowsills. Normally it would be a 2x6 windowsill feature, but when you bump it out like that, you get that extra windowsill. Perfect if you have some cats, or you have an animal who likes to sit there. I hear that a lot. Now, the other areas of the home are just bedrooms. So there you have it, folks. This is the Preble. It's our July clearance home. Lots of special things that we can do to it. This home started as a 64 long, but by the time we were done stretching, it ended up being a 70, and that's what we do here. If you find a floor plan that you really enjoy, but you want a couple bedrooms larger than the other ones, just let us know. We'll stretch it right in that area. And it usually works out to be really beneficial for both sides of the house. So for example, if you want to stretch a bedroom, you also usually end up stretching a bathroom or whatever is connected to that. So I'm the Mobile Home Mama. I sure appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and there's still time to come visit me. We're building into September, October, so get your orders in now. You can find all my information below. I am a salesperson at Champion Homes. If you mention me when you come in, I'll put some dishes or put some groceries in your refrigerator. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Free gift card with every purchase. Thanks, guys.